Class 5 IMO Part 2. Mathematics question number 16. The difference between the successor of this number and the predecessor of this number is equal to 1,59,59,979. Mathematics question number 17. Find the value of P plus Q plus R into S in the following addition problem. First, we need to find the value of P, Q, R and S. If you add 5 and 6, we'll get 11. 11 carrying 1 will get 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So R is equal to 6. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. And 2 here carry forwarding 1. We can see that 0 is the answer as Q. Next is 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So carry forwarding 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So we have found all the values of P, Q, R and S. So R is equal to 6, Q is equal to 0, P is equal to 9 and S is equal to 6. We can find the value of whatever they have given. Substituting the value of P, Q, R and S in this equation, we'll get the answer as 90. Mathematics question number 18. Identify the minuend and subtrahend in the given subtraction problem. The subtrahend is the number which is getting subtracted from the minuend, and the difference is the answer of the subtraction. So A is the correct option. Mathematics question number 19. Which of the following statement is incorrect? There is only one center in a circle. This is true. Radius is the longest chord of any circle. Wrong. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. That's true. All circles can have many diameters. That is also true. So B option is the incorrect option. So the actual answer is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of any circle. Mathematics question number 20. Count the number of unit cubes in the given solid. If we count, we'll get 21 as the answer. Mathematics question number 21. There are 35 girls and 15 boys in a badminton club. What fraction of members are boys? In order to find this, we need to know the total strength in the badminton club. That is, total members in the badminton club is equal to 35 plus 15, which is equal to 50. So fraction of boys is equal to 15 by 50, which is equal to 3 by 10. Mathematics question number 22. In the given figure, angle MON is dash, then the second one is SOQ is dash angle and SOP is dash angle. So MON is a straight angle and SOQ is a acute angle and SOP is a obtuse angle. Mathematics question number 23. How many minutes are there in 1 by 20 of 6 hours? 1 by 20 of 6 hours is equal to 1 by 20 into 6 into 60, which is equal to 18 minutes. Mathematics question number 24. A certain number when divided by 4 gives a remainder of 3. The same number divided by 3 gives a remainder of 2. Which of the following can be the number? We can check option wise. A is equal to 55 divided by 4, quotient is 13 and remainder is 3. 55 divided by 3, that is quotient is equal to 18 and remainder is 1. So this option is not the correct option. The next option, 71 divided by 4, quotient is 17 and remainder is 3. And 71 divided by 3, which is equal to quotient is equal to 23 and remainder is equal to 2. So this is the correct option because when this number is divided by 4, we get the remainder of 3. And when it is divided by 3, we get the remainder as 2. So answer is B. Mathematics question number 25. Naina bought a packet of 120 beads. She used 2 by 3 of the beads to sew on onto a bag and 1 by 12 of it to sew onto a top. She then sewed the rest of the beads on several scarves. A. How many beads were used in the scarves? B. How many more beads are used to sew a bag than a top? Beads required to sew a bag is equal to 2 by 3 into 120 is equal to 80 beads. Beads required to sew on a top is equal to 1 by 12 into 120, which is equal to 10. Beads used for a scarf is equal to 120 minus 80 minus 10, which is equal to 30. There are 80 minus 10, that is 70 more beads used to sew a bag than a top. So the option that is correct is A. Mathematics question number 26. When the time in Singapore is 21:30 and time in New York is 9:30 on the same day, what is the time difference between New York and Singapore? Time in Singapore is equal to 21:30 and time in New York is 9:30. The difference between Singapore and New York is 21:30 minus 9:30, which is equal to 12 hours. So the answer is C, 12 hours. Mathematics question number 27. Find the perimeter of the whole figure, not drawn to scale. We don't need to find anything here as they have given everything. We just add the sides of the given figure to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 382 centimeters. So there's no such option as 382 centimeters. So none of these is the correct option. Priyanka filled a pail with 3 liters 125 ml of water, a jug with 2 liters 50 ml of water, and a bottle with 600 ml of water. How many liters of water did Priyanka use altogether? So we have to add everything in order to know how much liters of water Priyanka used altogether. Adding everything, we'll get 5 liters 775 ml. Mathematics question number 29. Tina, Sheena and Veena run on different tracks of a rectangular field. If the dimension of the tracks are given below, then what is the difference between the length of boundary of track 3 and track 1? Perimeter of track 1 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 6, which is equal to 28 meters. Perimeter of track 3 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 16, which is equal to 68 meters. Difference between the length of boundary of track 3 and track 1 is equal to 40 meters. Mathematics question number 30. In a certain state, 52,61,989 students were enrolled in the various schools. One of these 19,65,233 were primary school students. 20,06,756 were high school students and the rest attended middle school. What is the number of students enrolled in middle school rounded off to the nearest lakh? So adding primary and high school, we get 39,71,989 and number of middle school students is equal to 13 lakhs. Since they have asked to round it, we have rounded it. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.